In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube thumbnail in just 5 minutes, which is going to help you get a lot of clicks on your videos. Thumbnail is one of the most important things if you're running a YouTube channel. So you might have come across a lot of different YouTube thumbnails in different styles, and the thumbnail is the most important part of your video because it is the one that is going to get clicks. A viewer, they are going to decide whether they want to watch the video or not. First, let's see how to make a thumbnail. We are going to see two ways to generate the thumbnail. And the first way is to use an app called as GravityWrite. So this is an app that will let you generate thumbnails using AI very easily. So in order to generate the thumbnail, first let's go into your browser and then just click the link below this video. It will take you to a page like this. And here you just have to sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to sign in. And once you sign in, you'll see a page like this, which is a YouTube thumbnail maker tool. So now in order to generate your thumbnail, all you have to do is just give your thumbnail title. So here I'm going to say how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So this will be the title of your video. So just type the title of your video here, and then here you can choose which is your brand color. So depending on which color you choose, you'll be getting different designs. So this color will be used in the thumbnail design. So once you select the color, here you can upload an image of yourself. Let me upload my image. I'm going to click here and then select my photo. And as you can see, my photo is uploaded. And then here you can choose between the light mode or dark mode. And this is how the difference, depending on which theme that you choose, it is going to appear. I'm going to choose light mode. And if you have any additional instructions, like for example, make the presenter hold a laptop. So those kind of things you can include over here. But I'm just going to generate the thumbnail. So I'm going to click generate, and now the thumbnail is getting generated. So just give around 1 to 2 minutes to generate the first thumbnail, and then it'll generate. And as you can see, the thumbnail is generated, and once we click it, you can see this is how the thumbnail looks. Now you can easily download this thumbnail just by clicking over here, and then immediately the thumbnail will be downloaded. And now you can just open it. So as you can see, this is how it looks, and it's in the exact size of the YouTube thumbnail. And next, if you want to make any changes to the thumbnail, you can just click on edit image. So now I can also say something like make the presenter hold the laptop. So I can also give additional instructions like this and then generate it. And as you can see, we have now got the image that we wanted. So now the person is holding the laptop as we asked. So this is how you can generate YouTube thumbnail easily, and you have full control over which color you want to do and which person you want to include in the thumbnail. So that's how easy it is to generate a thumbnail with this tool. So now let's see the next method of generating YouTube thumbnail, which is to use ChatGPT. So first, let's go to chatgpt.com. And now we are inside ChatGPT. And now, first of all, you need to choose create image option so that it goes into the image mode. And then below this video, I have given a link to this prompt. So just click on this link, and then here you will find the prompt to generate the thumbnail. And here you can see there are 3 places where I have made it bold. So in this areas, you need to update your content. So first I'm going to insert the video title over here, which is going to be called how to make a website. And this is the title of the video. And then here we need to exactly add what is the text that you want to appear on the thumbnail. So here I'm going to paste how to make a website in 5 minutes. And then here we need to choose a style. There is cinematic, bold, cartoon, bold, etc. So I'm going to choose cinematic. So you just remove the other ones and then you get cinematic style. So now once you prepare this prompt, you can just copy this and then go into ChatGPT, paste the prompt over here, and then click send. Now ChatGPT will generate the image. So as you can see, ChatGPT has created a thumbnail, but it didn't include the image of the host because we have not uploaded the image. So what we will do is the next version, we'll use the same prompt and then open a new chat. This time we will add something like include image of the host, and then we can include the image. So I'm going to add my image and then choose create image to enable the image mode and then click send. Okay. So as you can see, it has generated the image. Now, if you want to include your brand colors, this is how you do it. You go into the edit and then say something like use my brand color, and then you paste your brand color. This is the color code of my brand. So I just pasted it and now I'm going to send it. As you can see, the image is generated with the color that we just attached. So this is how you can make a YouTube thumbnail using AI. So hope you liked this video. Before that, my name is Shyam Sundar. I'm an AI automation coach where I help people go from beginners to experts in AI automation so that they can automate their repetitive tasks or help other clients automate. Now, tomorrow at 11 a.m. Indian time, you can join a free webinar that is going to teach you everything you need to know about AI and take you from a beginner to an expert. So to register for the webinar, all you have to do is just click this link. Then it will open this page. Just click here and then sign up. And you'll get a notification on your email and WhatsApp once the webinar starts. That's it. I will see you in the webinar. Make sure you subscribe to Website Learners and also follow us on Instagram and WhatsApp. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.